Here's problem 6 from the 2023 AMC 8. The digits 2, 0, 2, and 3 are placed into the expression a base raised to an exponent times another base raised to an exponent. One digit goes into each box. What is the maximum possible value of the expression? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. We have 4 boxes to fill, 2 bases and 2 exponents. Using the digits 2, 0, 2, and 3 to make the value large, we want one factor to be as big as we can. The best move is to use 3 as a base with an exponent of 2. 3 squared is 9. That uses up the 3 and 1 of the 2's. The leftover digits are 2 and 0, giving 2 to the power 0, which is 1. So the product is 9 times 1 equals 9. Let's check some other placements. 2 cubed times 2 to the 0 is 8 times 1, which is 8. 2 squared times 3 to the 0 is 4 times 1, which is 4. Both are less than 9. So the maximum possible value is 3 squared times 2 to the 0, which equals 9. That's answer choice C.